Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. You are going to learn about row, column, cell, row index and column index in Google Sheets. What is row in Google Sheets? A row is a horizontal line of cells in a spreadsheet. It is identified by a number on the left side of the spreadsheet, starting from 1. Rows are commonly used to organize data horizontally. What is column in Google Sheets? A column is a vertical line of cells in a spreadsheet. It is identified by a letter at the top of the spreadsheet, starting from A. Columns are commonly used to organize data vertically. What is cell in Google Sheets? Each small rectangle or box is known as a cell. The active cell is the selected cell in which data is entered when you begin typing. Only one cell is active at a time. The active cell is the cell surrounded by a blue border. A cell is the intersection of a row and a column in a spreadsheet. It is the smallest unit of data in Google Sheets and can hold a value, formula, or text. What is row index in Google Sheets? The row index refers to the numerical position or identifier of a specific row in a spreadsheet. It starts from 1 in increments as you move down the spreadsheet. What is column index in Google Sheets? The column index refers to the alphabetical position or identifier of a specific column in a spreadsheet. It starts from A in increments as you move to the right across the spreadsheet. You have learned what is row, column, cell, row index and column index in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this video.